Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. So let's get started. First, make sure you are signed into the correct YouTube account. To do this, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. You'll see the currently selected channel. If it's not the one you want to delete, click on Switch Account and choose the correct one. Once you've selected the right channel, go to YouTube Studio. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Settings. After the Settings menu loads, go to the Channel section, then select Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you find the Remove YouTube Content option under Other Settings. Click it, and you'll be redirected to a new page where you must sign in again. After signing in, you'll see two options. I want to hide my content, and I want to permanently delete my content. Choose the second option. This option will delete all the YouTube data associated with your channel. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion by selecting checkboxes and entering your channel name. Once you've done that, click on Delete My Content. The deletion process may take a few minutes to a few days, and that's it. Your channel is now permanently deleted. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.